Let's play study. Whoa, it says sine 30. I understand that. That's the easy one because we did this one so many times, okay? Sine 30 means half. That's 1 over 2 or 0.5 whatsoever, okay? So now, what about sine 390? What about 300? What about 120? Oh, so 390. That is easy because you know what? Every 360 is going to be the same thing over and over. So repeating the same thing. That means 360, which is one circle. So we can subtract away. Okay? So that means, hey, let's throw that one away. That means 390 minus 360 is 30. That's why this one is also sine 30. Exactly the same. See? Which is a half. Very simple. Okay, what about this one then? 300, that is the problem. Okay. Okay, now we have to talk about this unit circle. Oh, that's right. This one is the unit circle. So from the center. So why they call unit? Because the radius is 1. Okay, right here. From here to all the way to the length right here is 1. Right there. This one also 1. This one also 1 and 1. Hey, no, as you know. Okay, then we spin this radius from 0 degree all the way to like this. Okay, that means let's try. Okay, so just to spin a little bit. Okay, so playing the game. Okay, right here. This is 0 degree. Then this one about 30. So right here, oh, about 60. 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360. Oh, 360 is the same as 0. So then 390. I told you, keep adding this one just like this. Actually, the same thing over and over. See? Okay, that's what. Okay, let's talk about maybe 210. First thing in your brain, 210 means right here. Okay, 30 more than what? That's 180. Oh, wait a minute. 30 more than 180 right there. Okay, that means you have to decide this one. So this one we call first quadrant. Okay, so first quadrant, which is 1. This one, second quadrant. Third quadrant. This one, number 4. Just like this, whatever. Okay. Then sine 210, right there, 210. Okay. Now you must change this big number like this. Okay, within close to 180 or 0 or 360, whatever. Okay, so horizontal line right here. This one is horizontal, but you can use vertical, but in that case you have to change sine to cosine, cosine to sine, things like that. So that's complicated. Let's use the horizontal shaft. Okay, so in other words, horizontal line. That's it. Okay, that means 210 right there. Then you gotta remember this one, you and me. Okay, decide this one. Okay, so then I say this one is all. Okay, so wait a minute, all. Okay, wait a minute, I'm gonna change color maybe. Okay, so right here. Okay, so first all sa on co. Remember this one. Okay, so that means just like this, all san ko, all san ko. Okay, wow, man, if you remember this one, this is gonna help you a lot. Okay, so all san ko. Okay, period. Now that means, you know what that means? In the first quadrant, all positive. The second quadrant, only sine positive. Sine positive. The third quadrant, tangent. Tangent is n. Okay, so okay, tangent positive. The last one right here, only cosine positive. That's why all positive here. Second quadrant, sine positive, tangent positive, cosine positive. Oh man, this one cost $1 million. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so now, okay, all sine co. Okay, that means this one. Wait a minute, right here. Oh, only tangent is a positive. That means sine is negative. Oh yes. Okay, you can use negative right there, just like this, negative. Okay, that's the answer. Now, okay, you gotta use how far from 180, or doesn't matter up there or or below there. Okay, so that means this one is 30. So 180 plus 30. So that means, oh, this one sine. Okay, sine 30. That's it. Wow. So you get the point. Okay, so step number one, you gotta decide the sign, positive or negative. Okay, that's very important. Okay, then throw 180 away. Okay, so that means 210. Oh, 180 away, that means 30. That's it. So that means sine 30 is a half. That's why negative half right here. Whew, man, I hope you understand this. Okay, so the next one right here. Okay, what about 150? Oh, 150. So let me show you what 150 look like. Okay, so okay, that's 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 right there, somewhere right here. Oh man, so that means, oh, that's right, that is the second quadrant. So how far from 180? 30. Hey, very simple. This one's 30 different. Okay, that means you can use 30. The sign still there, but what about, okay, sine, cosine? No, what I'm saying is a positive negative business. Okay, so that means all sine. Oh, right here, sine is positive. See, positive. That's why this answer is positive sine 30. See, positive sine 30. That means half. Very simple. Okay, we can try a few more. Okay, we're gonna try two more right here. Okay, sine 330. Oh man, 330. So that means, okay, we can check. 330 means right here. You know that, right? This is 360. This is 330. That's 300. Okay, so right here. Oh, very simple. That means what quadrant? All sine co. Oh, that means only cosine positive. That means sine is negative. Oh, this one gonna be negative. Then automatically, oh, 30-degree difference. Okay, that means sine 30. That's it. Which is a half. Ooh, very simple. Okay, so now sine 120. Sine 120 must be right here on the top somewhere, right? Okay, that means, okay, just like this. Just like that. Ooh, that's it. So this one is a little bit different. Okay, you have to be careful on that one. You know why? Because from 180, how far from 180? That's right, 60 difference, right? That's why you gotta use 60. Also, you gotta decide the positive and negative. Okay, sine right here. Oh, the all sine co, all sine, oh, positive. That means this answer is positive. Then sine 60. Okay, not sine 30, something like that. Okay, that means, okay, that's it. Sine 60. Sine 60. So we studied this one already. This one means what? Okay, square root 3 over 2. Period. Then, hey, let's do this one. Okay, sine 300. 300 means what? Oh, that means from 0 or 360. So 60 different. Okay, the backward, right? That means this is number 4 quadrant. Okay, number 4th quadrant, only cosine positive. That means sine negative. Oh, first thing you have to decide ne, which is a positive, negative. Okay, negative right there. Then you gotta use what? Sine. How far from that? Like a 360? That means 60. That's it. Okay, so that means the answer is negative. So square root 3 over 2. Period. Now, what about 120? We just did this one. Okay, so that means also, oh, this one is the second quadrant. That means this one is a positive. Positive, we don't have to write down. Okay, that means, oh, this one is a sine. Then what? How far from 180? 60. That means a sine 60. Oh, that means this one is a positive square root 3 over 2. Very simple. What about tangent 225? 225 means more than 180. That means, oh, that's it. Okay, that's number 3 quadrant. Okay, so third quadrant, tangent also on. Okay, that's tangent. That means this one is the positive. Okay, answer is positive. Then tangent, what? Tangent, the difference between this one and 180. So 225 minus 180 is 45. Wait a minute, tangent 45? That was 1, you remember? Okay, 1, that's it. Okay, quickly, 4 more right here. So let's decide the positive and negative first, okay? So now 150 is second quadrant. Second quadrant cosine, oh, that's negative. You remember cosine, only sine and or sine is positive right here. Okay, that means tangent 135. Oh, 135 means where? 135 is right here, right? Okay, that means tangent, oh, that's negative. What about cosine 210? Or cosine 210 is right here. Okay, third quadrant. Okay, also on. Okay, that means tangent positive, but this one is negative. Oh, very simple. What about cosine 300? Cosine 300 right here. 300 must be right here somewhere, right? Okay, that means, oh, this is going to be cosine. That's why this one is a positive. Okay, I can write positive. Not going to hurt. Okay, so next one. Okay, from 180, how far from here? Okay, that means, oh, 30. That's cosine 30. Cosine 30. That's it. What about this one? Tangent 145. How far from 180? That's 45. That means tangent 45. What about cosine 210? Okay, 210. Oh, that's the third quadrant. Negative. I remember. Now, difference between 180 and 210, 30. That means cosine 30. So what about 300? That's a positive for sure. Then, oh, right here. Okay, how far from 360? That means 60. That means cosine 60. So first of all, cosine 60 is what? That's right. That's a half, right? Okay, so half. Right there. Easy one first. Okay, how about cosine 30? That means negative. So square root 3, negative first. Okay, square root 3 over 2. That's it. Okay, what about tangent 45? Oh, tangent 45 is 1. So that means negative 1. Very simple. What about this one? So cosine 30. That's square root 3 over 2, right? Okay, square root 3 over 2. Same as this one. Okay, oh, 210, 150 is the same. So that means negative square root 3 over 2. That's it.